morning. So today we're going to do something a little different. Today we are going to renovate my bedroom. It is a hot mess. I've lived in this house for 4.5 years, and honestly, this house has just been an accumulation of anything we could get for free. It's time to make it my own. I do like a certain aesthetic. Neutral colors. It's gonna be a bit like Japandi, so like Japanese, minimalistic, a little bit of Scandinavian, and a little bit of French. So the first thing I want to tackle is the headboard. It is this tufted dark gray color, and there's nothing wrong with it. It's just not my style anymore. I'd like something that's more of a linen color. So we're gonna head over to Fabricland and see what they have and come back, and hopefully we'll be able to figure this out. But first, let's measure this bad boy and see how much fabric I'm gonna need. This is about 90 to 42, but I'm gonna add an extra inch or so that I can really get it tied on in the back. That looks like it's just sewn on. So I just got back from the fabric place, and if you guys went with me like virtually through Instagram, then you know that I got it down to 3. These are the 3 I'm gonna show you. I just need to see it in my lighting because the lighting at the store was different. Like I moved the fabric around and the fabric looked different in different spots. So I brought it home, show you what it looks like. Let's bring it closer to the floor. Once you get down here, you really get to see what would look nice with the floors. This is a bit too light. This one has a bit more depth to it. I also want to show you guys what it looks like against the curtains that I have. This combination, which is just so dreamy. This combination, which is a little harsher. And then we have this one, which is beautiful. It's really beautiful, but I think it's expected. There's not as much depth compared to this one. Which would you choose? Seriously, I'm so confused now. I like them both, but I feel as if I should go with my gut. And my gut says go with the slightly darker one for a little bit more depth. Okay, so I just wanted to lay fabric on the headboard and put the headboard back where it would normally go to see if it's the right color. A little nervous that I got the wrong color. The other color was like another white color, and I just wanted something a bit different. Let me show you. So this is the color I got. This is the lighter color that I was thinking about getting. Now I'm wondering, did I make a mistake? What?